Which group we would be in?
Which one?
The group of Costa Rica, right? So Group E.
Costa Rica, they go playoffs.
Yeah, that's just
People that just show them not really have it up your sleeve. You get me? So when it comes to these type of stuff, you already know that. Just watch and see.
People, he's the one that sounded right. So I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah? In Costa Rica in Group E with Spain, bro, Germany and Japan. Wouldn't have a chance, obviously. On it.
Welcome sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I am your host Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet.
Yes people, but before we get into today's video, no never like that one, yeah? No never like that one, yeah?
That'll be a bad video.
Like the video. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. Please, man, I beg you no. Not tired from beg, man. Jesus. I'm not gonna grow me say that.
You're a beggars, bro.
I'm not gonna grow me say that.
You're a beggar.
I'm would have beat me, dog. If I did one time, I'm would have beat me. Anyways, people not gonna like this one. The champions. A joke.
That's the wrong song.
I know I did it on purpose. Anyways, World Cup time.
They don't say uncultured.
Bill the dog. We do it on purpose.
If you say so.
You know I quit them with it.
Oh, the Shakira song though.
Stamina.
Waka, stamina, cause this is Africa.
Yeah.
That's the right song.
But that's not the best World Cup song.
Then which?
Oh.
Yeah,
That's not the best World Cup song.
Yeah, that's
people.
to be
Like
honest,
uncultured dude. What are you talking about?
Shakira got stupid still, bro.
No. Give me freedom. That's all I give me goosebumps, bro.
Dog.
What are you talking about?
Still the best World Cup.
Still the best World Cup.
We'll have
Still
to
the
talk
best World
about in the next video.
Yeah.
But that's not for today's video.
I don't lie. But even know this World Cup video song. But even know this World Cup song. I don't know it.
That shows it now flick no back.
It now flick no back. But people, we're gonna know it, you know. We're gonna know it. Anyways, World Cup time again. 4 years have passed.
It looks just what the heck.
Anyways, it's World Cup time again. Now we're gonna talk about it, bro. What going to the World Cup? We don't even know. And we're gonna break it down. We're gonna match up the brackets. And we're gonna show them how to win the World Cup. And in about 6 weeks time, probably 7.
8 weeks.
8 weeks time,
Mm-hmm.
come back and say this or that sports TV, you guys are right.
Yeah.
Anyways,
But we'll probably have different answers.
Yeah.
But anyways, people, this might be
one way or the right, bro.
This
Just the odds.
This might be a longer video than normal, but trust me, it'll go fun.
Yeah.
So watch the whole video, please.
Please watch it.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's go to the groups first.
Alright.
And then we'll come out of the group and then we'll match them. Yeah. Alright, so Group A, we have Qatar, the host of the World Cup.
Mm-hmm.
We have Qatar actually, bro. They're trying to do something.
Yeah, man.
They're trying to do something over there.
They've started a long program,
Yeah.
and they have some ballers, and I think they will be formidable. But we could talk about the rest of Group A.
Alright. Ecuador.
Wait, first. You know, because I'm going to be pulling out the World Cup brackets, so I'm going to professor mode now.
With their body eye. Anyways, Senegal from Africa, the motherland. Netherlands in that rounds up Group A.
Yeah.
Senegal actually have a good chance of coming out of this group. But we're going to talk about it. Yes, I rush it. Next group, England, Iran, USA, and Wales in that group, bro. Wales made the World Cup.
That's a fun group.
Yep.
That's an interesting group.
People also gonna see which group Jamaica would in. Anyways, Argentina, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, and Poland. Also a decent group. And Group D, we have France, Australia, Denmark, and Tunisia.
And not to cut, I was watching the Give and Go, a channel that I dabble with from time to time. And they made an assertion that this World Cup might be the World Cup that consists of the most talent ever in the history of any World Cup. And just going through these teams, bro, like you can understand, like I don't think any World Cup has ever been as talented as this one. Each team have ballers, bro. All of them.
In Group E, we have Spain, Costa Rica, Germany, and Japan. In Group F, we have Belgium, Canada, Morocco, and Croatia. In Group G, we have Brazil, Serbia, Switzerland, and Cameroon. In Group H, we have Portugal, Ghana, Uruguay, and Korea Republic.
So like, which team out of them team are bug? Like which team out of them? All of them team, you can probably be like, Qatar maybe, Saudi maybe.
You know which group we're in, bro?
But all of these teams are good.
You know which group we would be in?
Which one?
The group of Costa Rica, right? So Group E.
Costa Rica, they go playoffs.
Yeah. So Canada, USA, and Mexico make it as the top 3. And then Costa Rica in Group E with Spain, bro, Germany and Japan. Wouldn't have a chance, obviously. But that would be some good games, bro.
Reggae boys would have come out of that one.
Alright, love it. Let's get the computer up and we're going to talk about who are going to leave these groups and we're going to match it up, bro.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so Group A, who do you have leaving that group?
Alright, so I think Senegal and Netherlands will come out of that zone. I think Senegal will top the zone. What do you think?
I also believe that Senegal and Netherlands will leave that group. Hopefully Qatar put up a really good fight because I want to see good games. Ecuador a couple years ago were very good. I don't think they're as good right now. But yeah, I also have Senegal and Netherlands. But I want hopefully the home support.
You have Senegal first? Over Netherlands?
No, I do have Senegal first.
Oh, you have Netherlands.
Actually, Senegal, they're coming off a strong campaign.
Senegal have some ballers, you know, Mendy, Sadio Mane.
Really good players. But I'm going Netherlands first and then Senegal. One thing I want to say before we get into this, I'd love to see an upset. I'd love to see an upset in the World Cup. And I'm talking about that. When I'm saying an upset, I'm talking about that a team winning the World Cup that's not ranked in the top 5. Alright, I want to see it. I'd love to see it. But yeah, we have Senegal and Netherlands.
I have Senegal, Netherlands first. You have Netherlands, Senegal first.
Alright, Group B, England, Iran, USA, Wales. Who you have?
Alright, bro, I think Wales are going to have a good World Cup, bro.
Who do you have,
I just think Wales. I have England topping the zone and Wales edging out USA and Iran. Yeah.
I have England topping this group and USA coming out of this group. You have Wales.
Yeah.
Right? Group C. We can give my own first. For this one, I have Argentina coming out of this group. So I have Argentina coming out of this group. And
second place for this is tough.
Mexico now fit about, you know?
Mexico has not been playing very convincing football.
But they might get back. Jimenez.
Saudi Arabia has been lukewarm. You know, they've been hot and cold, especially within their confederation.
I go Mexico, bro. I go Mexico same way.
I'm going Poland. I think that Poland will manage to come second in this one. I think it will be close. I think those 3 teams might all end up on like 4 points. I think Saudi Arabia will put up a good fight, but I do think the prowess of Robert Lewandowski will just edge Poland through.
I hear you. Group D, who do you have?
I have in Group D Denmark to top the zone and France to finally break the World Cup curse.
Yeah, I remember we've been having some conversations. Like you're saying that, yo, bro, the curse is real. And I looked at the groups where I'm saying this is not the year.
Tunisia is solid, bro.
This is not
Tunisia can pose a threat to France, and I think they may. But I'm definitively saying Denmark will top the zone. Who do you have to top the zone?
France to top the zone. Denmark is a good team. Denmark is a really good team. You know, having good.
France has tried for the last 2 times in Euros and Nations League and can't beat them.
Yeah, I understand, bro. But and even France is a bit weak right now, getting some injuries. So you might be right.
Pogba. That's why I think Tunisia will push them for their money.
All right. Let's go on to Group E.
I think
I'm going Germany, Spain.
Yeah, it's. I'm going Spain, Germany. Yeah, I think Spain will top the zone.
Alright. Group F. I am going. Ooh, this is a good group, bro.
Yeah.
This is a good group. But I am going Belgium and Croatia. Canada will have something to say about that.
And Morocco ain't no slouch.
Yeah, Morocco is a really good team.
I'm going.
I think we can say Belgium will top that group.
I'm going Croatia to top the zone.
Whoa.
And Canada to come second in the zone.
Whoa, so Belgium will not make it up.
Yeah, Belgium will not make it to the second round.
Alright, so you said what?
Croatia to top the zone.
Croatia.
And Canada to finish second in the zone.
Canada. Alright.
Yeah.
Big prediction, that no boy.
Yeah.
Group G with the favorites: Brazil, Serbia, Switzerland, Cameroon. Who do you have? Switzerland, very good team. Serbia, very good team. Cameroon, decent team. Who do you have?
Brazil will get 9 points. You know, I think so. And I think Serbia and Switzerland will fight tooth and nail where Serbia will manage to eke it out. Mitrovic will score 4 goals in the first round.
Bro, I'm going Brazil and Switzerland. Cheering on my Arsenal Granit Xhaka. Switzerland's a very good team.
Yeah,
Switzerland's a very good team. They've been having good tournaments.
They have other good players. For sure.
So I'm going Brazil and Switzerland to come out of that group.
Yeah, I'm going Brazil and Serbia.
Group H with the Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal. I'm going Portugal and Ghana to come out of that group.
Portugal and Ghana?
Yeah.
Tough game.
Going Portugal and Ghana. It is a tough group. Uruguay with their star man up front.
Yeah, and Uruguay have like Nunes, he'll come back. They have Suarez still, who's captain of the team. You know, Arujo, the Barca centre back, I think he's going to be ruled out for the World Cup. That's going to be a big blow for them. But I do think Uruguay will have enough to come out of the zone. I think Uruguay will also finish with the same amount of points as Portugal in the first round. Goal difference will decide it.
So you have Uruguay.
I have Portugal topping the zone.
You have Portugal and Uruguay.
Yeah.
Boy, we have a few different teams here, bro. But we have a match up.
Remember that you have to flip these, like the first place and second places for brackets.
I know, man. So you have Portugal and Uruguay. All right. So for the brackets now, we have a match it up and see who win the World Cup. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. So we have to have the winners of Group A matching up against the runner-ups of Group B. So the winners of Group A for me would be Netherlands, right? It would be the Netherlands matching up against Group B runners-up. So USA for me, Wales for you. Actually, that's a different game for you.
Yeah.
So USA for me, and you would have Senegal.
Yeah.
Versus England. No, versus Wales actually. Right?
Yeah.
And who? For me, I'm going Netherlands. I'm going Netherlands to win that. Who are you going?
I have Senegal versus. I have Senegal.
I have Senegal to win that. So Senegal will be the team advancing from that tie.
Yeah.
Right? For the next one, we have winners of Group C. So Argentina for both of us.
Yeah.
Who are you going to win? I'm going Argentina.
So that's C1 versus D2.
Yeah.
Argentina.
I'm going Argentina there. Alright. Winners of Group B would be England for both of us versus the runner-up in Group A, which would be Senegal for me and Netherlands for you. So Senegal for me and Netherlands for you. I am going England. I think England will have a good World Cup, bro.
Oh, you think
I think England will have a good World Cup.
England are going to beat Senegal?
Yeah, I think they're going to beat Senegal.
And I have England versus Netherlands.
Yeah.
That's E1 versus F2.
Yeah.
Wait. No, that's B1 versus A2.
Yeah.
And I think England will also beat the Dutch.
Alright.
I do. I think England are going to have a good World Cup as well.
Alright. Next one. Where are we? E1 versus F2. Where are we? D1 versus C2.
Yeah, D1 versus
Alright, so
C2.
D1, we have Denmark for you versus. So it's D1 versus what? C2.
Yeah.
Versus Mexico for me and Poland for you.
But you have, for me, it's Denmark versus
Poland.
Yeah.
Poland.
And France versus Mexico.
Versus Mexico for me.
Alright. So Denmark versus Poland, and I'm going to have Denmark to win that.
Denmark!
Yeah.
I'm going France beating Mexico.
France beating Mexico.
Yeah. And yeah. Next one. What's the next one? Over there. E1 versus F2. So E1 would be Germany for both of us. Versus
No, I had Spain.
You have Spain?
Yeah, I had Spain.
You sure?
Yeah, I had Spain in that zone.
Alright, so Germany for me, Spain for you.
Yeah.
Versus, so it's E1 F2. F2 would be Croatia for me and
Canada
for you.
Yeah.
So Croatia for me, which is Germany versus Croatia, would be a very good match in the World Cup. And you have Canada matching up against Spain. It's a fancy down the flank.
Spain versus Canada.
Who you have?
I have Canada. I have Spain winning that, sorry.
That's Spain winning that match.
And I have Canada bowing out at the round of 16.
Alright, I have Germany. Alright, so I'm just going to circle the one that I have different so that I can remember. Alright. Next one on that same end of the bracket. G1 versus H2. So G1 would be Brazil for both of us.
Yeah, Brazil will top the zone.
Versus versus H2, right? So H2 would be Ghana for me, Uruguay for you. So Ghana for me, Uruguay for you. I have Brazil taking this.
Brazil as
I have
well.
Brazil taking this.
So that's G1 versus H2 Brazil, right?
Yeah. Brackets are getting nice now, bro. F1 versus E2. So F1 would be Belgium for me, Croatia for you. Not Croatia. Croatia for you.
Croatia top in the zone.
Croatia.
Versus
E2. E2 is Spain for me. Spain for you too.
Alright, Spain top in the zone.
Yeah, Spain top in the group?
Yeah.
The zone? Yeah, we just said that. So Germany for you.
Yeah.
Belgium versus Spain is a good match for me. That look nice as a match in the World Cup.
And I have Croatia versus Germany.
Yeah.
That's also a really solid match.
Alright, so I have Belgium taking that.
You have Belgium taking
beating
Spain?
Yeah, Belgium beating Spain. This have to be the year for Belgium. This needs to be the year for
and
Belgium.
I just don't think it is.
I don't think it will go all the way.
I don't even have Belgium coming out of the first round.
Bro, this is where Belgium need to see the others. They've been working and this have to be the year.
Yeah,
this needs to be the year.
I think they've aged out. No, I just think their best players.
This is the last year. I think this is
the last
year.
And I think they'll flop out of the World Cup this year.
Really?
Absolutely. I had them leaving in the first round, didn't I?
Yeah.
I picked Canada over them, didn't I?
Yeah, that's true.
So
I have Belgium.
Croatia versus Germany.
Yeah.
It's hard to see Croatia go so early.
Come on. Croatia versus Germany.
Croatia on penalties.
So you have Croatia.
Yeah.
Alright, go on.
Croatia on penalties.
And the last round of 16 match will be H1 versus G2. So H1 will be Portugal for both of us versus G2. So Switzerland versus for me and Serbia for you. Right? That's the last match?
Yeah.
Alright. So Portugal versus Switzerland. I'm going Portugal for this one. Where are you going? Serbia versus Portugal, bro. Mitchell?
Yeah, I'm thinking a Mitrovic upset, bro. 1-0 after Portugal absolutely killed them with leather for the whole game. So I'm thinking Portugal bows out in the round of 16 again.
Alright.
And Serbia. I have Serbia, people.
Alright. So there we have it. Let's go to the quarterfinals now. So only 8 teams left in the World Cup. This is your bracket. So yeah, bro. So quarterfinals time. This is the last 8 teams. These are the last 8 teams, and we're gonna match it up. We're gonna win the World Cup. Let's see. So I have Netherlands versus Argentina in my first quarterfinals game. Who do you have?
I have Senegal versus Argentina in my first quarterfinal game. Yeah.
Alright, I have Argentina beating Netherlands here.
I have Argentina as well.
Yeah, I feel like Argentina will take that one.
Argentina yet to lose an international game in about 2 years.
Yeah.
I think they're gone 38 now.
I think this is the year.
They're encroaching on the record.
Alright, so the next one on that side of the bracket will be Germany versus Brazil.
Yeah, and I have Spain versus
You remember the last time Germany faced Brazil and embarrassed them in the World Cup, bro? Who do you have?
Well, Spain
versus Brazil.
I don't even have Germany making it this far in the World Cup. So I think Brazil will take Spain in the quarterfinals. I genuinely believe.
Yeah, actually I have Brazil. Brazil. England versus France. I'm going England it's England for me. England versus Denmark for you. I have England beating France in my quarterfinals. Who do you have?
I have Denmark beating England in that quarterfinals.
Right, so you have Denmark making it to the semis, bro.
Yeah, I have Denmark making it all the way to the semifinals.
Alright, I have Belgium facing Portugal in the final quarterfinal match. Who do you have?
I have Croatia versus Serbia.
I'm going. I'm going to say that. I'm going to say Portugal, no, I'm going to say Belgium. Why may I separate this? Who do you pick? Croatia.
Yeah.
I'm picking Portugal. Portugal will get it together this World Cup. I think Portugal will get it together this World Cup. They're too talented.
I hope so.
Alright, so first semi-final will be Argentina versus Brazil.
That's a big one.
I think Brazil will get there, get whacked.
Yeah, I think Argentina.
You think Argentina making it to the final again?
I just think Argentina are playing.
Hey, Messi can't lose 2 back-to-back finals. I tell you that.
It would be 2 back-to-back finals. He didn't lose the
No,
last one.
yeah, Messi can't lose 2 World Cup finals, you know.
Why?
That don't look good.
Tell Ronaldo forget to.
Me say that look good.
Tell the next greatest player forget to a World Cup final.
Me say if it look good.
Anyways, as I was
England
saying,
versus Portugal, I think England will make it to the World Cup final. So
and
you,
I have Denmark versus Croatia, and I have Denmark.
by the way, I have Brazil beating Argentina, so I have a Brazil-England final.
Yeah, and I have an Argentina-Denmark final.
And then for the third place playoff, I would have Argentina. Argentina facing Portugal.
Croatia.
And I think Argentina will beat.
Wow.
That's a Messi Ronaldo game in a row.
Wow, that's what you have.
That would be nice.
I have Brazil versus Croatia, and I have Brazil coming third in this World Cup.
Hey. Yeah, bro. So Brazil versus England for me will be the World Cup final. What will be the World Cup final for you?
Argentina versus Denmark.
That's not a great match like mine, bro.
Yeah, your match
That's more
is an
exciting.
amazing match.
Yeah,
but I think
people-
this year Denmark is in their prime. They've been playing impeccable football. Like Denmark have been one of the best teams in Europe, undoubtedly.
Bro, but I really
Denmark are better than France. Denmark are
No,
better
I
than Spain.
hear you,
And
I
better
hear
than
you.
Germany. They've been playing such good football,
I hear you.
and I think they're coming together just fine right now.
Yeah, I hear. And I would be surprised actually. I don't predict them to go that far. In fact, I don't believe they will go. They'll be at the round of 16. But if it happens, I will not be surprised. But my World Cup final, no,
Yeah.
bro. I know the people them want to see Brazil versus England. I know
No, the
that
people them
want
want to see Argentina
No,
versus
me talk about
Portugal.
years, Bridget. Years, me talk about versus years.
Oh.
Argentina versus Denmark.
It's
versus
not about what the people want to see. It's about what's going to happen.
I think that doesn't happen.
I'm
People,
Some just there and make up things.
well, I link me back in December and say Russia. No way I talk about. Cause this is Argentina are gonna beat Portugal in the third place playoff game, the third place match, and I could have predicted Portugal because I prefer Ronaldo over Messi. That didn't. And in the final, I'm going Brazil to beat England.
Brazil to beat England.
I'm going Brazil to win the World Cup, bro.
Well, I have a South American sweep of all the trophies because Brazil will come third, and Messi will finally win his World Cup.
Ooh.
And I don't have Argentina beating any team by more than 2 goals.
People, we both have South American teams winning the World Cup. What does that say about South America? Is this the best confederation in the world?
It's hard to say that, but are they the most top-heavy confederation in the world? Without a doubt. Without a doubt.
I hear you. So yeah, bro. Brazil are the favorites to win the World Cup, and actually, let me tell you, the favorites. We can do a separate video about that. But Brazil are the favorites to win the World Cup, and Argentina, they are third. They have the third highest odds to win the World Cup. So there you have it. This is our bracket, people. This is what we say will happen in the World Cup. The World Cup in November. In fact, we're in November. The World Cup is just a couple of days away.
Just a few
20 days away.
away.
So, April, that'll be a good one. We have a whole heap more World Cup content coming.
As you can see, my predictions weren't run of the mill. You know, I went out on a limb on some of these predictions. You know, I had Belgium falling out in the first round. You know, I had Denmark topping a zone that included France. You know, I had Serbia beating Portugal in the round of 16. Going through Croatia making it all the way to the semifinals with Denmark again. You know, people. You know, this is me because I'm super analytic and
I don't have much surprises in my. I don't have much surprises. And the team that are ranked the highest, I have them doing the best in this world.
And that's never how it is in any World Cup.
That's never how it is. Yeah. That's just
People that just show them not really have it up your sleeve. You get me? So when it comes to these type of stuff, you already know that. Just watch and see.
People, he's the one that's always right. So I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. To say it again, Brazil winning the World Cup, Argentina coming in third place. Joe Mario have Argentina in winning the World Cup and Brazil in third place. So let's see. I'm glad that we didn't have the same thing. So one of us will win. Trust me. I think it will be me. Anyways, people, if you like this video, you want to see more World Cup.
You think your bracket will go closer to truth than mine?
Yeah.
You think so?
I like my brackets. I like how it match up.
How far do you have Belgium going?
Belgium, I go quarterfinals, that's it. Portugal, I go semis, that's it. France, I go quarterfinals, that's it.
Oh.
Netherlands now pass quarterfinals. Isn't it?
I'm worried about Argentina's round of 16 matchup though.
Mm.
Argentina versus France. That's a tough match early in my bracket. But I really,
Argentina could bow out in that match.
I really do think Denmark will top that zone.
Yes, so I put some money down I just bet that.
We at This or That Sports TV don't condone gambling of any form. You know, we are good God boys that would never.
So if we bet each other,
Hmm?
and then have a forfeit at the end. If our World Cup prediction is spot on in terms of the winner, the bracket not for right. But if Brazil win the World Cup or Argentina win the World Cup, we need to have a forfeit. We never say what is the forfeit in this video, but we need to have a forfeit.
We can make a video about our favorites and then talk about the forfeit.
Right. People, give us some forfeits. What should we do if we lose this bet? So if Argentina win the World Cup, what should I do? If Brazil win the World Cup, what should Joe Mar do? Tell us in the comment section. People, like this one. We are close stuff, you know. Like the video. Leave a comment under this one and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. Please. God, one more.
The World Cup has officially started here at This or That Sports TV, people. And because of that, share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure 6 people subscribes. Because the World Cup content is going to be unprecedented, as it usually is on This or That Sports TV. It's going to be some of the funnest, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates about the World Cup on the whole internet.
That's right.
And if you guys share 6 people, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
People, for now, this was This or That Sports TV.
I know.
Yes, sir.